In the Napa Valley Winery Maps book, it's designed to help you navigate the valley. The first 34 pages are all focused on the maps. After that, there's 2 chapters, one about planning an itinerary, another one about wine tasting, and then after that is the winery directory with 400 wineries and their descriptions. It starts off with a key, A, B, C, D, E, so you can look at the area, say, okay, that's that map. When you go to the maps, you'll see that it says A2 over here, C. Now, when you go to the areas where it's very concentrated, where there's a lot going on, for instance, from Oakville north to Yountville, there'll be a line in the center and a little key up there saying E2, E3. What does that mean? It means there's a map for the west side, there's a map for the east side, so you can see everything easily because there's a lot of wineries jammed together in this valley. As you go through any places of concentration like that, it will show like that. There are maps of the downtowns, Yountville, Napa, Calistoga, St. Helena, and then maps of the various different areas that you want to go to. For instance, St. Helena, once again, split into 2 parts. Why? There's a lot going on in that area, as well as the downtown. So it's really just an excellent tool for helping you get around the valley, essential, and after all, it's been created by tour guides who are coincidentally authors and publishers and book designers. And it's designed to be easy to hold in your hand, it fit into your glove compartment, easy to travel with, and gives you the information very, very quickly without a lot of unnecessary details. And of course, in the directory, these are our descriptions of the wineries that we've been to. So enjoy.